Hello everyone, I'm Mao Mao from Zhono. 2024 marks my 18th year in the office supplies industry. Since entering the industry, I have been working as a technical engineer, witnessing the incredible technical advancements of consumable chips, evolving from very simple to extremely complex. From a technical perspective, I believe the entire industry is currently facing three main challenges. Challenge 1. OEMs are setting up technical barriers for consumable chips, requiring compatible chip manufacturers to increase their investment in R&D exponentially. Fierce competition places higher demands on compatible chip manufacturers regarding technology, finance, and talent. It is estimated that in the next 3 to 5 years, only companies with strong technological innovation and R&D capabilities will be able to achieve sustainable growth in this industry. Challenge 2. Advanced equipment is becoming increasingly essential for chip R&D. This requires companies to invest more, introduce more advanced equipment, and establish chip laboratories. These are all high investments that place high demands on a company's talent and financial resources. Challenge 3. Frequent firmware updates pose great challenges to after-sales service for compatible manufacturers. In the past, OEMs released new firmware primarily to fix bugs in printers. Now, however, these updates are more frequently aimed at restricting the use of compatible chips to protect their market share. Considering the challenges mentioned above, I believe the industry should currently maintain rational competition and jointly protected market interests. This requires general consumable chip manufacturers to establish close cooperation with upstream and downstream enterprises to mutually deal with market challenges and achieve coordinated development of the industry chain. At the same time, we should strengthen cooperation with other companies in the industry, share resources and experiences, avoid malicious and unfair competition, and promote the sustainable development of the general consumable chip industry. First, we have recruited technical talents with master's and doctorate degrees from renowned universities, and established 3 R&D centers. As a professional chip company, scientific and technical talents are the foundation for driving enterprise development. In recent years, the number of Zhono's R&D staff has accounted for 50% of Zhono's total employees. We have successfully established 3 R&D centers in Guangzhou, Xi'an, and Shenzhen, and have been continuously recruiting talents from many well-known Chinese universities. Second, we have established an in-house laboratory to accelerate the launch of new products. Around 2020, we began planning to establish an independent laboratory and introduced multiple advanced instruments and equipment. Thus, we concentrated resources on technological R&D to quickly match the needs for the market and customers. In the second half of 2021, Zhono's in-house laboratory was selected by the Guangdong Provincial Department of Science and Technology as the Guangdong Intelligent Security Chip Engineering Technology Research Center. Third, we regularly monitor and verify firmware updates. The Zhono team constantly monitors firmware updates all the time. From January to December of 2023, we addressed and prevented the effects of OEM firmware updates more than 150 times for over 10 mainstream laser printer and inkjet printer brands. From January to April this year, during regular firmware monitoring, we discovered that HP, Ricoh, Lexmark, Xerox, Sharp, Brother, Fujifilm, NEC, and some Chinese brands have released new firmware. The Zhono team has also verified our compatible chips for over 80 models in the shortest time, ensuring they are not affected by the firmware updates. This strongly proves the reliability and consistency of Zhono's products. Better consumables start with Zhono chips. I'm Mao Mao, and from October 17th to the 19th we will be at booth 3420 at the RemaxWorld Expo. We look forward to meeting you and many of our friends from all over the world.